Hi there, welcome to another episode of Build Your Wealth. I'm your host Linda. Today we are going to look at 5 investment options that are available for an investor with as low as 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Yes, 5,000 Kenyan shillings. You are looking where to invest. This is for you. Number 1 on the list is the equity funds. So how to invest on the equity funds is through a unit trust. A unit trust is a body that collects resources or funds from various investments and uses them to invest in a diversified portfolio. How this works is the unit trust will collect resources or funds from different investors including you and use it to invest in the stock. Equity is basically stock or shares market on your behalf. The advantage is that if you are a new investor, you may notice that you are not sure of which shares to buy in the stock market. You may not be knowledgeable. You may end up going for the risky shares or the non-productive shares. Therefore, it is easier if the fund manager does it for you, because they normally go for the best performing shares in the market, and then you will earn from that. The second option is the bond fund or the fixed income fund. This is the same idea with the first one, the equity fund, but for this one the fund manager invests your money in a bond. So the minimum amount you need to invest in a bond is 50,000 Kenyan shillings, but with your 5,000, the unit trust or the fund manager can be able to invest in a bond because they pull resources from different investors like you. So that makes it easy to penetrate your money in the bond market. The third investment is the balanced fund, which is kind of my favorite because the fund manager invests your 5,000 in a balanced portfolio. They can invest it in a low risk, medium risk and high risk investments like the MMFs, the bonds and the stocks in this case. So that is balanced, in like your portfolio is balanced. The fourth option is MMF, money market fund. So for this one, the fund manager invests your money in a money market fund and they use it to maybe buy short-term securities and or even cash and cash equivalents. So your money earns you interest, and at the end of the period you are promised your capital preservation. That's the good thing with MMF. The other good thing is your money is liquid and low risk. The risk involved is little and your money is liquid, like you can withdraw it anytime to run your emergencies or your errands. So for the 4 of them, MMF, bond fund, equity fund and balanced fund, you need a unit trust which is registered under the capital market authorities and regulated, so that you know that your money is in a safe place. The 5th option available is the stock market. Notice that the other one was equity fund, but this one is stock market, which you yourself go through the stock broker or the brokerage firm and you invest for yourself in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. You get your CDS account, which is a central depository system, and you use your accounts or your portal to buy and sell your shares. at the moment, you can even be a shareholder of a company with only one share. It used to be a minimum of 100 shares, but thankfully you can buy even one share, because there are firms or companies that the shares are pretty expensive. So at least now you can just buy one share at a time. So with your 5,000 Kenyan shillings, you can be able to diversify your portfolio, buy shares from different companies which are in different industries, so that your money is in a diversified portfolio. Like you can buy one from the banking sector, from the manufacturing sector, industrial sector, and so on. So those are the 5 options available with as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Let me know which one you are going for, or any other one that we can consider in the comment section. Thank you for watching up to this far. See you in my next episode. Bye.